This could be the best so far. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will going to be the best foldable phone, but with not too much changes in it. Although Samsung is trying to make the best user experience out of it, but it seems like Samsung is lacking in some key areas which will be the main issue for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung is going to launch Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August along with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and possibly Galaxy Watch 5. According to the leaks and rumors, Galaxy Z Flip 4 will going to be the same as Galaxy Z Flip 3 except internals. And this is no surprise to say that this year we are not going to see any design change in the foldable devices. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below what do you hate the most in Galaxy Z Fold 4. I hated its battery. Let me know yours. The reason that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be the best foldable phone because the competitor of Samsung is not at the position to compete with well-established Fold brand. We see Oppo foldable phone, which is eventually the best compact foldable device so far, but it's not available in many countries including United States. Then we go to Vivo X Fold, but the phone is a bit bigger and I would personally don't consider it, and it is also not available in other countries. And the last one is Huawei Mate XS2, which comes with its own OS, so this is already out of this league. But when we compare Galaxy Z Fold 4 with Galaxy Z Fold 3, we only see some internal changes including processor, Snapdragon 1 Plus, using the Galaxy S22 Ultra cameras, 108 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, and 10 megapixel selfie camera. But when it comes to battery life, Samsung is going to stick with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 battery, 4400 mAh, and I think this could be the biggest mistake so far. Since last time Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 was really bad in battery life, not even survive a single day with the normal usage. So Samsung should think about this, but it is already confirmed, so we may see a bigger battery in Galaxy Z Fold 5 next year, who knows. The previous leaks were suggesting that we may get S Pen built in, but those leaks were wrong and we are not going to see built-in S Pen in Galaxy Z Fold 4, but will support S Pen like Galaxy Z Fold 3. You may see a small aspect ratio change in Galaxy Z Fold 4 where IC Universe posted a picture showing the minor difference between them. But Samsung is trying to make a smaller phone with a single hinge design that could make the phone lighter, smaller and more durable, and including new ultra thin glass and under display camera will also be the good thing for Galaxy Z Fold 4. So all in all, this is the only option this year for foldable lovers if they want to change their phone. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below what do you hate the most about Galaxy Z Fold 4. I hated its battery. Let me know yours. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.